Howdy everybody, welcome back to Outnumbered Barbecue. Today we'll be making some smoked crawfish. I have here 2 pounds of boiled crawfish. And no, you can't start with live crawfish, they'll crawl all over your smoker. We'll be putting these in a spicy garlic butter sauce and putting them on the smoker. We'll be using several different spices, so let's get to it. We'll start with melting 16 ounces of unsalted butter. To that we'll add some minced garlic. Maybe a little more. Tony Sashi would be a good choice here, but it's a little too salty. We'll stick with some Meat Church Holy Voodoo, some of this orange pepper seasoning, lemon pepper would work also, and some Louisiana hot sauce. And a little more. Now give that a stir until it's all mixed together. Now give it a taste and add more garlic or seasoning if you need it. This is perfect for me. Next we'll put these crawfish in an aluminum pan and cover with the butter sauce. Now let's get it out on the smoker. Now since these crawfish are already cooked, we're going to stick between 125 and 150. We don't want to overcook the crawfish. We just want to get some nice smoke on them. We'll be smoking these for 1 hour, stirring at 30 minutes. Here we are at 30 minutes. Let's give them a stir so they all get some smoke. And after 1 hour, they're ready to go. Let's give these a taste. Still tender and not overcooked. You can definitely taste that smoke. This is definitely my new favorite way to eat crawfish. And don't waste any of that garlic butter. The next time you have a crawfish bowl, make sure you put a few pounds aside and make these smoked crawfish. Once again, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, the one that's on your screen right now, right here. Share this video with your friends, hit like, and we'll be seeing you.